Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel, The Survival Kid, and today we are here with Jay, and we're going to be unpacking these MREs and seeing if they're good or not.
So what I got is a chili macaroni and beef sauce. So my main entree is like the macaroni. Here's my candy, here's my salt. Then I got crackers and strawberry jam.
So my MRE is beef ravioli and meat and textured soy protein sauce. So this is my cracker bread piece. I have apple jelly. Here is my spoon. I have Poparts, which I don't know if they're still good. This is my main course. Tootsie Rolls. We got salt and a moist towelette. And then for extra, I bought this MRE cookie to see how good it is. It's really hard though, so I don't know how good it'll be.
Cardboard.
So these are our heaters. We're gonna tear it open and figure out how to do this.
Wait, okay.
So you tear there. Packets are not getting hot, so we might have done something wrong, but we're gonna boil some water as a backup just in case these don't end up working. So since it's getting hot enough, I'm gonna put my MRE in here and then prop it up against something, and then we're gonna wait. While we wait for those to heat up, we're gonna open, I have this bread thing and he has crackers. So we're gonna open these up. There's scissors right there if you need them. And then I'm gonna use my jam, because this is what it looks like. It's like a straight piece of bread. So Jay opened his crackers, and I am currently in the middle of putting apple jelly on my bread.
I have strawberry jam, so let's see how this tastes.
So it's very liquidy.
Oh, yep. Let's take a bite of this.
Bro, mine slaps. No, actually. It's so good.
It tastes like a normal cracker with jam. It's not bad.
So in the beginning, my apple jelly came out a little liquidy, but now it's coming out as jelly, so that's good. So I'm going to rate my bread a 7 out of 10, and the jam is an 8 out of 10.
My crackers are an 8 out of 10. They taste like saltines. With the jam is probably like a 9 out of 10. Strawberry jam is good.
So I opened my cookie and I was very surprised to find that they're like bite size. So that already bumped up the rating. They're a little dry and lacking the flavor, so I'd say 6 out of 10.
Probably 6 out of 10.
It kind of tastes like graham crackers though.
Yeah.
Moment of truth is, are these Pop-Tarts still good? So we're gonna open them up and find out. They look like this. But here's the moment of truth. I'd say they're still good. So I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the water's boiling because these are not working. So it's not going to be quite boiling because we don't want it to be that hot, but it's going to be pretty hot. Since cooking it in the pouch didn't really work, I have a glass of hot water that we're going to put this in, and hopefully this will work. Uh-oh, I forgot to think about that. We'll be right back, folks. Oh, it's hot.
No crap.
So I'm taking it out and gonna open it. I'm gonna try it now. I don't have high expectations for the main meal. Everything else was pretty decent, but I don't have high expectations for this one. So we got our spoon.
Smells.
Put it in for longer, but it's not bad. I'd give it a 7. It's not bad, but yeah. So now we're gonna put Jay's in here and have him cook it. Realistically, MREs are pretty good, and I can understand why soldiers use them, because it's a lot of calories a lot of good things for your body out in the field when you might not have a good full meal. So I like these for that use, and I think they're very good in that sense. Another thing to know is you're not always gonna have hot water. So eating these cold, I wouldn't try it because it probably would be worse. But that, if you needed it, that would be a great source.
So I got this M&M's packet, and it says best before 07/2018. So that is great.
So I'm going to wrap it up with a Tootsie Roll that has 50 calories and is good for sweetness.
Now I'm gonna try some of mine. Doesn't look pleasant.
It looks the same as mine.
That's true. I rate it 6 out of 10. It's kind of plain. You can't really get all the flavors out of it.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Jay has these left, and we all know how these taste. Although we might not all know how these that expired 4 years ago taste. But thank you guys for watching. Tune into the next video and subscribe.